In front of me is VIVO Y19, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now to create a new one, select this plus at the top right one. Now you need to begin by picking an hour at the top. When you finished, click on days of the week that you wish to set up, and then tap on Alert Mode. Now click on the best option for you to apply it. Ring, ring and vibrate, or only vibrate. Now select ringtone. Click on Custom Ringtone at the top and tap on any song from your device to set it up. Or just tap on one of those sounds, like for example, early in the morning. Wherever you decided when you finished, click on the back button. Now select snooze and decide how many minutes it will take. Lastly, you can click on label and name your alarm however you wish to. To save its name, hit OK. Finally, to add a new alarm, tap on Done at the top right corner. To discard it, select Cancel instead. As you can see, my alarm is over here. If you wish to switch it off completely, use blue sweater next to it. You can turn it back on by hitting the same, now grey one. In order to make some changes, tap on your alarm, change wherever you want to, and select Done again. In order to delete it, just hold it and click on Delete in the pop-up. Then confirm your choice in the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!